If you're going to spend a day in Cocoa Village, you have to check out Riverfront Park. It's the site of festivals, performances, competitions, you name it, they've got it here. And don't forget, it's a great place to chill with friends on a nice day like this, and kids, you can check out the splash pad behind me. Looking for a spot in town to grab lunch? You've got a lot to choose from. If you're feeling barbecue, you've got to check out Kreiderman's. If happy hour's your jam, Pub Americana's got 27 craft beers on tap, as well as exotic and creative burgers. But if you're craving pizza like I am, Ryan's Pizza and Pub has you covered. And that's just for the daytime. Here are your nightlife highlights here in historic downtown Cocoa Village. First stop, Village Idiot's Pub. They've got 30 beers on tap, as well as more bottled wine and cider choices. Trying to catch the big game? Timeout Sports Bar has you covered. They've got plenty of drink and beverage specials for you to choose from. And last but certainly not least, you've got to check out the Dirty Ore. They brew all their beers on site, but they even have some special guest beers from throughout the Sunshine State. All this and more waiting for you on your next trip to historic downtown Cocoa Village. Jenna, back to you.